Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 159. Hats cost $4 each, while scarf cost $3 each, joined by 5 items, all hats and scarf, and spent a total of $17. How many hats did he buy? So let's call the number of hats is H, and then the numbers of scarf is S. Then we have H plus S is 5. Since we have 5 items including hats and scarf. And then the second equation we have the number of hats multiplied by 4. That is the cost of all hats he bought. Add the same 3S, 3 multiplied by S, that equals $17 total amount he have to pay. So the question asking how many hats did he buy, I will try to eliminate that 3S right here by multiply 3 to both sides of the first equations. Okay, so I will multiply the first equations right here. Multiply by 3. So I will have 3 times H is 3H. And 3 times S is 3S. That equals 15. Now copy down the second equations again. We have 4H plus 3S that equal 17. So I will take my new equations 1 here. I take the first equations and then subtract it from the second equation. So the second equation subtract the first equations. That will be 4H subtract 3H. You have H left. 3S subtract 3S. That is 0S. Okay, that equals 17 subtract 15. That is 2. So we have a number of hats is 2. So the numbers of scarf will be equal 5 subtract the number of hats we have. So that would be 5 subtract 2, that equals 3. Okay, but in this case, the question asking for the number of hats, so we end the question at this step. H equal 2. You may ask why we don't eliminate H. We can eliminate H as well, but we have to do extra step. So let's perform that. So we have the first equation multiplied by 4. So you see right here you have 4H. You want to eliminate it. So the first equation have to be multiplied by 4. So you will have 4H and 4S. That equal 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, then the second equations we keep the same. Have 4H and 3S. That equals 17. In this case, because I see that the numbers, the coefficients in the first equation is bigger than the second one, so I will subtract. I will take the first equations, so now it's the new equation 1. I take the first equation, subtract the second one, left to left, right to right. Okay, so for h minus 4h is 0h. For s minus 3s, that is s, equal 20 minus 17, that is 3. But the question asking for the number of hat. So we have this one is the number of the scarf. So we know that we have the number of hat at the scarf that is equal to 5. So s is 3. We solve for h. So we subtract 3 both sides. We have the number of h is 2. Because I know that I have to find the number of hat, so I just go straight to eliminate the s, the variable s, so that I can just have my answers is focus on solving for h. Thank you for participating in this series, and see you next time.